In today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly how much YouTube paid me on my very first paycheck. I will show you my revenue analytics and break down my personal timeline to highlight when I hit my first 1,000 subscribers and how long after it took to get monetized. And if you're new here, welcome. I have a lifestyle channel. I talk about fitness, food, and personal experiences. So if you're into that kind of stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So I started creating content back in 2017, and I started off with 0 subscribers, none whatsoever. This was kind of like my experimental year, seeing what kind of content I liked producing and seeing what kind of content that my audience really liked and what videos really resonated with people. And when I first started creating videos, YouTube let anybody monetize their videos regardless of how many subscribers or watch time you had. In February 2019, YouTube now required you to have at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel and at least 4,000 hours of watch time in order for you to monetize your videos and make money through ads. All right, now let me get my notes. So I reached 1,000 subscribers on December 22nd, 2018, and I reached 4,000 hours of watch time, and I became monetized on March 26, 2019. I got my first YouTube check September 2019. Now, before I show you a screenshot of my analytics to give you the breakdown, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a peek of the actual payout. Drum roll, please. A whopping $104.61 with less than 2,000 subscribers, guys. I was at 1,680 subscribers when I got paid out. So don't think you need a massive following to start collecting these checks, people. Now, this was before taxes. You can elect for them to withhold money for taxes, or you can take the full amount, but it'll be your responsibility to set aside a percentage for taxes at the end of the year. Don't forget about Uncle Sam, okay? Because he's not gonna forget about you. Now you can see a breakdown of my earnings by month. I made $80.50 in July and reached $104.61 in August, but I probably hit that amount after the payout period, so it rolled over to September. According to the AdSense website, YouTube pays you between the 21st and the 26th of every month, and you have to reach the $100 threshold to get paid out. They will not pay you if you earn anything less than $100. Now, this is gonna be a very basic explanation of how AdSense works and how I make money through the ads placed in my videos. Every ad you see has a CPM, which means cost per 1,000 views. Now, this screenshot is showcasing my top 4 videos on my channel so far. Currently, my top viewed video is what happened after I quit social media for 3 years. It was at 40K views, but I think right now, let me go ahead and check some real-time numbers. It's now sitting at 43,000 views right now. And as you can see from that video, I was getting paid $9.93 per 1,000 view on my ads. This amount can change based on your views as well. And my second most viewed underneath that was at $10.93 per 1,000 view. I wanted to show you my analytics for anyone thinking of starting a YouTube channel, or if you're just plain curious and wanted to know what the numbers look like this early on. And all I can say is I'm just getting started. This is what it looks like to be consistently producing for 2 years. I would lock myself in my room every single weekend, pretty much disassociated myself from all my friends, just kind of put in all my time and energy outside of my 9 to 5 to my YouTube channel. YouTube is a long-term commitment. If you don't already have a large following, it's gonna take some time. And that's why you're gonna hear people say if you're in it for the money, you're really not gonna last, because the passion has to be there. Preparing for videos, shooting, and editing takes hours. It can sometimes take anywhere between 4 to 9 hours in one day, or you can kind of spread out a project throughout a couple days. Since it is a passion of mine, I always say, you know, if somebody's interested in starting a channel, do it. For me, I think it's so much fun. I feel like it's such an awesome creative outlet. You have creative control for your project from beginning to end. Now, my dad asked me if he can have an ad displayed on my videos to kind of promote his business, and I told him, Dad, no, it doesn't really work that way. They're the ones that choose the ads. So I wanted to go ahead and give a quick shout out to my dad's company. This one's for you. My dad has managed his HVAC company since 1994 and started his business in the New York, New Jersey area. He currently lives and works in Orlando and works in the surrounding area areas with a team of dedicated experts. He offers competitive rates for your heating, cooling, and refrigeration needs. He covers residential and commercial services, and I will go ahead and leave his information down in the description box. Now, if you need a new unit installed, go ahead and tell him Southern Belle Michelle sent you. Residential customers get 15% off, military discount is 20% off, and he gives senior citizens a discount of 25% off of new installations. I am really proud of my dad. Not only does he manage his own company, but he also teaches aspiring HVAC engineers at a local college. Now, if you have any pending questions for me, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button to let YouTube know. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!